Fast break. Oop. Oy! Negative 2. Palang balikod to, pero palang drop pull up J Money. Fast break na naman. Ang bilis ni number 10 and 5 Money. And back to back 2.14 up. Fast forward 4-3 bang. Oh, pass. Binabitin pa. Dito tayo ngayon sa Karami 2024 para sa laban ng Mountain Province versus Abra. And a jump ball. And first ball possession for Team Abra. Side step, nabitawan ng bola. And a fast break agad. Oops. Fade away shot. Wali. And it's number 4 to number 11. 4-3. Wala. Rebound football shot. Di pa tumalon. Fast break. Fake. And fire. Off the window. Pass off yan. Number 5. And here's Baligod. Bounce pass. Ay, hindi pala si Baligod dun. Wala palang balikod to, pero pala itong mga idol. Stop pull up J Money. And back to back 2.14 Abra. Fast break. And here's number 4. Alley-oop pass and the finish. Number 51 fast break ngayon. Benawe, oy! Tumunggil. It's number 4. Left-handed dribble. Number 1 pull-up J. Wala. Maagawan na naman ni number 1. Oy! Ang gandang koneksyon. Uy! Di pumasok mga idol. Pinili ka. Oy! Boom! 1 dribble. Hook shot. Wala. Battle for rebound. 4-3, number 8. Bang! And this number 4. Pinapaikot yung bola. Oop, makagawad dito. Number 11 all alone. Lays up. In and out. Side step sa gitna. Number 11 off the window. Money. Fast break. Oop. Oy! Negative 2 points. Oop, makagaw dito ng Team Abra. Nagmamadali. Alley-oop pass again. Off the glass again. Team Mountain Province. Fast break. And nag-aagawan. Number 17. Oy! Basket and 1. Naagaw. And to number 51. Passes inside. Oy! It's a miscommunication but they recovered. Number 51. Tuloy-tuloy. Left-handed lays. Battle for rebound. Number 10. Put back shot of the glass. Team Mountain Province. Fast break ngayon. Number 5 again. Oh, this time pumasok ng Team Mountain Province. And here's Team Abra. Number 1, attacking the rim. Maagaw, pass break na naman. Ang bilis ni number 11 and 5, Money. Ito ngayon. Bars, tinap board pa ni Idol. Inside, 5. Pass break and all alone. And a basket for number 5. 13-20 ang score mga idol. To the middle. Kick out. Launches sa 3. Wale. Rebound pa rin ng Team Abra. Perimeter shot. Wala. Long pass. Makukuha ni number 5. Number 8, tuloy-tuloy. Take. Side step sa gitna, number 10. Pull up, J. Wala. Pass back, number 4-3. Bang! Number 4. Bounce pass, pass back. Cross pass, number 9, 4-3. Wala. Rebound number 8 for Team Mountain Province. Nice ball movement for Team Mountain Province. Attacking the rim, side step, tinira, wala. Rebound number 17, put back shot. And a basket foul. Number 4 to number 9. Number 4 attacking the basket, floater shot, battle for rebound. And a perimeter shot again, wala pa rin. Nag-agawan yung magkakampi. 4-3, bang! Team Abra. And here's number 8. Dire-diretso, walang guardia. And down to number 11. Oops, pinato. There's a putback shot. Oops. Putback again off the glass. Ginawi. Second deadlock of the game. And number 4. To number 9. Number 4, pass inside. Number 18, mabibitawan dito. Number 4, asin, tatitira sa 3. Bang! 12 seconds on the first quarter. Asinta sa 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Maagawan. And it's tying seconds. Inulit, tumira pa, wala. And that's the end of the... And for the inbound. Pass to number 11. Boundary ball in. And number 4. Sa gilid, 4-3. Bang! Number 6. Floater, number 11 of the glass. Wala pa rin. And it's number 4. Passes. Binabitin pa. Binom. Number 27. Stop at the free throw. Number 5. Floater. Money. Basket and 1. Long pass. Number 5. Floater. Again. Back to back. Sa 3. In and out. Pass break. Launches sa 3. Wala pa rin. Number 9. Straight to the basket. Pinabitin pa na basket for number 9. Number 5. Floater shot off the glass. And a basket. And it's number 69. Good. Miracle shot! Number 5 again. No basket again for now. And number 5, 14. Mountain Province. Maagawan dito. Number 51. 1-on-1. Pinasa. Pinaganda, syempre. And his favorite number 69. Kick out. Take. Travel. Number 5. The save. And number 9. With a long floater shot, won't go. Put back shot off the window, man. Behind the back dribble. Number 5 to number 11. Kick out, 4-3. Back to number 9. Again, lays up of the glass. And here's number 11 for Team Mountain Province. Crossover, attacking the basket. Dire-diretso, a lucky bounce. Number 9, Batalon. Picks to the middle, fires. Won't go, rebound. Put back shot by number 11 and a finish. Oh, makalusot si Idol. Number 51. Stop, number 4. Oh, ball rotation and 4-3. Air ball. Number 9, Batalon 4-3. Bang! 3 points, Batalon. Number 11, bounce pass inside. Maagaw dito ni number 2. Number 9, Batalon again. Batalon to number 2. Fires. Wala. Rebound, kakaldag, spin and fire. Score yan! And dribbling the ball. Number 11, bounce pass to number 8. Oop! Uy! Minekos-mekos pero di pumasok. Number 5, oop! Hurry pass, oop, too strong, and a putback shot and score for number 10. And 3 seconds for 3. Bang! Buzzer beat. Good side step to the middle. Mid-range fires. When a pass break. Saktong-sakto. He spins. Oop! Smooth shot. Number 17. Oop, exacto. Number 10. Castillo fire. Too strong. Nasave pa yung bola. Fade away shot. To score yan. Number Oop, dire-diretso, lays up basket for number 11. Pass break and easy basket for number 1. And for the inbound. Oop, 1 dribble, number 17 fires off the glass. And Puya, behind the back, dribble. Cross pass for 3. Bang! 3 points. Pass break ngayon, number 1. All alone lays up, easy basket. Puya, nagda-dance-dance, zigzag, hoop, pass inside, fires, pasok yan, number 4. Side step, fires off the glass, and a bounce pass. Hoop, matatapikan, ma-recover, floater off the glass, money. Number 69, matatapikan, naagaw, 4 versus 2. First, oh, PC. Six, ooh! Ay, ang gandang move. Sana yun. Puya. 4-3. Bang! 3. Number 27. Sakto, butat ang inabot. Number 69, favorite. Oh. Number 27, 14 Mountain Province, magbibitawan. Number 5 ngayon, Binit BDC basket again. 4-3, bang! Number 8, pass break. Number 69, favorite mo. Oop! Lays up. Ooh, yes sir. Number 1, dire-diretso. Uy! Nice move by number 1. Number 6, floater shot and a basket for number 6. Pass break, hook, number 69. Tatlo sila and a basket for number 8. Mabibitawan. And that's the end. of the third. And here's the final quarter mga idol. Number 5 for Team Mountain Province. Number 26, Slaughter of the Glass. To the middle, Castillo fires. Castillo. Bringa. Up to the middle, fires again. Castillo. Stop, kick out for 3. Wala. Castillo again. Oops. Wala. Behind the back pass. And fake and fire and finish. Number 8. Side step, pass inside, fires off the glass. Yes, sir. To the middle, number 10. Oop. Maagawan. Uy! Nagsarili sa idol. Fires. Boom! Money! Kick out. Passes to Castillo. Pass back. The connection. Number 2. To the middle. Number 10. Pass inside. Fake and fire. Money. Number 2. 0 for 2. Bang! 2 po. Castillo basket and 1. Lisa and easy basket. Easy basket. Doon siya sa 3. Rebound Batalon. Fake. Batalon. Pass to the middle. Pass inside. The connection again. 4-3. Rebound put back in a basket. Bang! Batalon. Manny Castillo. Easy basket. Hook shot. And that's the end of the game mga idol. Congratulations Team Abra.